I'm called Amone Ronnie. I'm, as per now in my dreams, as you've seen in the illustration, I want to become a renowned doctor. Yeah, a renowned doctor does not mean just being a mere doctor. Yeah, I want to be heard all over Africa and in other continents like Europe, Yeah. As you have seen in the illustration, a man standing here putting on a lab coat is the doctor, of which I'll be the one to put on this lab coat. And then the one lying down is my patient. I'm treating the patient. In my hand here, I'm holding a syringe, of which I will use to injecting this patient. So, what inspired me to become a doctor? I had one friend who always liked these sayings, which I wrote down here, as future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Yeah, actually these sayings inspired me a lot because when I was young, I had a dream of being a doctor. In my family, we have never had anybody being a doctor. So I want to be the first person to be a doctor in our family so that I can help others as well as inspire others also to become a doctor in their lifetime. So this is what I inspired most in my life. I want to achieve it. Should not only end by talking here, I want to achieve it physically. And when I've achieved my dreams, of course, I will announce it to Affirmative Art that I've achieved my dreams. Then also invite you for some parties, Yeah. Not only being a doctor will accomplish my dream, I also want to become a leisure graphic designer and painter, As art is also part of life. During my leisure time, I'll be painting here and there. Yeah. And also, I want also to promote youth empowerment or self-employment. Many youth are unemployed. Yeah. So, when I've achieved my dreams, I'll be employing them. Maybe I'll open up medical schools, so they'll be employed as medical teachers, attendants, lab attendants here and there. Yeah. And then also, I like sports. That's why I'm putting on Manchester United jersey. Yeah, as well as their fans. So I like football so much. I want also to be a footballer in future. Yeah. So those are my dreams, and I'm determined to achieve them. Yeah. Thank you.